Good morning, children. Welcome back to our math class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, today we will see page number 121 of your textbook. Right? What is written here? Jars in the self. What is written? Jars in the self. Now, let's see what is written here. Bhima made a self for 30 jars. Bhima is a person and he has 30 jars, and to keep the jars he has made the self. This is a long self with two rows. How many rows are here? 1 and 2. Two rows are there. Each row has the same number of jar. और हर एक रो में कितने जार है? 2 जार. Same number of jar, यानी 15 here and 15 here. So this is the Bhima's idea. He has made two rows in the self to keep the jars. 15 jars here and 15 jars here, means equal amount of the jar. Now see downside what is written. Can you think of other ways to make a self to keep 30 jars? Right? अब ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे पूछा कि क्या आप अपने से कुछ बना सकते हो? जैसे कि भीमा ने 2 सेल्फ के जो जार लिए हैं, 2 सेल्फ में ये जो जार अरेंज किए हुए हैं, वैसे क्या आप भी इसको अलग अलग तरह से अरेंज कर सकते हो? सो वी कैन डू. यस, वी कैन डू. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन डू. So jars in the self. Bhima's idea. This is the Bhima's idea. It is already given in the textbook. So what he has done, 2 rows of 15 he has made. So just draw the 2 rows of 15. See here, Bhima has arranged in this way. 15 jar in the one row and 15 jar in the another row. So altogether 30 jars. So 2 rows of 15 is equal to 30. Now this is the Bhima's idea. Now we have to see our own idea. यानी हमारे खुद के आइडिया क्या हो सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट आइडिया 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 30 इज इक्वल टू 30. कौन सा हो सकता है कि एक ही रो में हम लोग 30 के 30 जार्स अरेंज कर दे, ऐसे हो सकता है. सो दिस वी विल नॉट डू. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट. सेकेंड वन, 2 multiplied by 15 he has done. Now we can say 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. So how many rows? 3 rows, and in a one row 10 jars are there. So let's draw. So this is our idea. 3 rows of 10. In this row 10 plus 10 20 plus 10 10 30. So all 30 jars we have arranged in this way. Now let's see the next one. Next one we can write that 5 rows of 6 means 5 6 are 30. So how many rows will be there? 5 rows, and in one rows number of glasses are, or number of jars are 6. So here we have done how many rows? 1 2 3 4 5, and in a one row number of jars are 6. So in this way we have arranged the jars, 30 jars in two different ways. Now see here, easy trick. It is given in the textbook, page number 121 of your textbook. Easy trick. What is given here? What Bunty said? Bunty said, I don't know multiplication table of 7. He don't know the multiplication table, means table of 7 he don't know. Then this Guddu said, I know the table till 5, but there is an easy trick. I can make the table with 7 and table of 7 with the table of 2 and 5. What Guddu said? I know the tables, but up to 5 only I know. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This many tables she knows. But what she said, I can make the table of 7 by using the table of 2 and table of 5. Okay. So here I have drawn for you. In this way you have to draw. This is the part of the activity. Now let's see how make the table of 7 by using the table of 2 and 5. So see here, I have written the table of 2 here in this way, and downside I have written the table of 5 in this way, right? This is the activity. Now how can we make the table of 7? How can we frame the table of 7? So 2 plus 5, this product is 2, and the product of this is 5. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So 7 ones are 7. 4 plus 10 is equal to 14, that is 7 twos are 14. 6 plus 15 is equal to 21, means 7 threes are 21. 8 plus 20, that is 28, that is 7 4s are 28. In this way 7 we have framed the table of 7 from this table of 2 and table of 5. Now here is another activity. We have to frame the table of 7 by using the table of 4 and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So when we add 4 plus 3, we get the 7. So we can make the table by using that. Same way I have written the table of 4 here and table of 3 here. And whatever the product, whatever the answer we got, that is 3 plus 4, that is 7. In this way we have prepared the table of 7. Okay children? See, it is given here table of 2, table of 5, and we have prepared the table of 7. Now what she said, Guddu said, see how I added 2 numbers in the yellow boxes to get the table of 7, right? कैसे हमको इसका table मिला हुआ है? He said, aha, it is easy. I can also make the table of 7 with the table of 4 and 3. Then he said, now I can also make, I also want to try the table of 7. So he used which table? Table of 4 and table of 3 to make the table of 7. So here we have, see this one I have given in the notebook. So that one you have to prepare here and write here. Now what is written here? Which 2 tables? Now this is the homework for you. This one is the homework for you. What is written? Which 2 tables will you use for writing the table of 12? अगर आपको टेबल 12 का टेबल बनाना है तो आप कौन से 2 टेबल यूज़ कर सकते हैं ये टेबल बनाने के लिए? So here I can give the hint. You can use the table of 5 and table of 7 to make the table of 12. Okay, so this is the homework for you. Table of 12 you have to prepare in this way by your own. So children, today we have seen how to make the table or how to frame the table, new table, by using the 2 tables. And before that we have seen how Bhima has arranged the 30 jars in different ways, and we have also arranged it in 2 different ways. So today up to here children. Now we will meet in our next session. Till that, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you everyone.